Hello and welcome back to KC Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech reviews, tech stuff, and tech knowledge. Today I want to talk to you about Windows 10, Windows 11. As you know, the control panel and controls are becoming harder and harder to find. So today I'm going to show you how to put your PC into God's mode. What is God mode, you ask? We're going to talk about that. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you find this information useful, and let's get into it right now. Windows 7 came out, then Windows 8. Slowly but surely, the control panel has been kind of being pushed from one place to another place, making it harder to find all the commands you need if you want to do something inside of Windows. So I'm going to show you how to put it back in one place, and this will work on Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 7, but basically I'm going to show you how to do it, and I will leave the description on how to do this inside of the description, of course. So let's begin now, and let me show you what we're going to do. So essentially, you're going to create a God's mode folder. Now, the first thing you'll do is you'll create a new folder. I've done that right here. That's how you do that, by right-clicking and creating new, and then new folder. Then you come up to it again. You're going to click rename, and you're going to be typing in a command line. I have already put that in the description for you, so all you'll do is copy and paste it. There it is. And then you're going to have this appear, and that's God's mode. That's it. That all your control panel things are already lined up for you to be able to use. So, like sometimes you have to go to the system panel, and then you have to go to this panel or that panel. This brings everything that is all over the place. Like for Windows 10, they moved part of the control panel into another icon. So this is basically what it is, and this is how you can find it. And you can see you have basically all of the commands that you most likely are going to need to save things and get things done. You can also enlarge them and make large icons, small icons, all right, by clicking view, and then you can select the size of the icons. Right now, and go medium icons, and you can see everything appear. So that's essentially how you put it into God's mode. And of course, everything works just like it normally does. It just put it in at the tip of your fingers. Makes it very, very easy. So essentially, it brings your most used icons into one place. So whether you're trying to find user information, run administrator, whatever it happens to be, you don't have to go to this line and this location and that location trying to locate it. It just brings it into one folder, which you can now select the size of the icons or just leave it written like that. It just simplifies your everyday use. And if you're like me and you do a lot of tinkering into Windows and you're doing a lot of things, you want to be able to have it at one place at your fingertips. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll be bringing you more Windows tips, more various information about tech. And until next time, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll be back with you with more tech tips, more news, more reviews. Until next time, have a great day.